I'm about to show you a CMO trapped in what I call the dashboard nightmare. Research shows CMOs use an average of 14 dashboards, taking up about 3 days to reconcile data. Every morning starts with checking these systems that all tell different stories. And it takes about 3 days to create one report. And by then, the data is already outdated. But what if one AI assistant could replace all of the chaos in under 3 minutes? The answer might surprise you. Most CMOs are sitting on millions in hidden revenue and don't even know it exists. And here's what I mean. Meet Sarah, a CMO at a tech company who's about to lose her job. Her CFO just walked into her office with a spreadsheet showing that marketing only generates $2.40 for every dollar spent. He wants to cut her budget by 30% next quarter because the numbers just aren't adding up. Sarah's problem isn't unique. A survey of 62 marketing leaders found that 8 of them flagged attribution nightmares as their biggest pain point. One marketing leader from the LinkedIn research interviews puts it this way: how much revenue is influenced by marketing? 100%, right? So why do we even have this conversation? The issue is that most companies rely on first touch attribution models, but those models miss half of your true value. Watch what happens when we feed Sarah's data into the AI system. The AI starts scanning through every attribution model and customer journey touchpoint in real time. Here's where it gets interesting. The AI finds that Sarah's brand campaign called Innovation Leaders spent $635,000 and only showed an immediate return of $380,000. The CFO thinks this campaign was a flop, but AI has other plans. The AI discovers this campaign drove a 340% increase in brand search, 67% rise in direct traffic, and 34% higher deal close rates, generating a massive delayed revenue through improved customer lifetime value and cross-sell opportunities. Then comes the breakthrough moment. The AI reveals that the real ROI isn't just $2.40 per dollar spent, it's actually $5.20 per dollar when you include all of the delayed revenue. Sarah's failed brand campaign actually generated $2.9 million in revenue over 6 months. The AI shows exactly how this happened with a complete customer journey map that connects every touch point. Sarah now has proof that her marketing drives real revenue. The AI found $2.9 million in hidden revenue that was sitting right there in the data. Sarah's budget cut just became a budget increase. But finding hidden revenue is just the beginning. The AI is about to uncover something even more shocking: the rogue campaign takedown. Within minutes, the AI exposes a marketing nightmare that's bleeding $430,000 every single month. Background research shows CMOs average over $400,000 in rogue spending each month, and Sarah is about to discover she's no exception. She's scrolling through LinkedIn when she sees an ad for her company that she never approved. The creative uses the old logo from 2 years ago. The messaging talks about products they don't even sell anymore, and she has no idea who created this ad or how much it's costing. Her stomach drops. This happens more than you think. Sarah decides to dig deeper and ask the AI to scan all active campaigns across every platform. What the AI finds is shocking. There are 73 active campaigns running without approval across Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, and display networks. Nobody in marketing headquarters knew these campaigns existed. And here's the real problem. These unauthorized campaigns don't just waste money, they destroy brand consistency. The AI shows that 23 campaigns use outdated logos and messaging. Different teams promote conflicting value propositions. The West Coast office talks about innovation leadership, while the East Coast focuses on reliable solutions. Customers see mixed messages that confuse them about what the company is actually doing. The AI calculates the total financial damage in real time, and it says rogue campaigns spend $430,000 per month with no oversight. Some campaigns bid on competitive keywords that makes no sense. Others target audiences that will never buy the product. And the worst part is that these campaigns often compete against each other, driving up costs for the same customers. The AI connects to all ad platforms and identifies the worst offenders immediately. Campaigns spending $50,000 per month with 0 conversions get paused first. The AI sets up automated brand compliance checks so new campaigns can't launch with outdated assets. Within 72 hours, Sarah has a complete campaign oversight through an AI-powered control dashboard. She can see every active campaign across all platforms in one place. The $430,000 monthly waste disappears overnight. Sarah reclaims her budget and redirects it towards strategic initiatives. Her brand message becomes consistent across all the channels. But even after regaining control, Sarah still faces one final data nightmare: the data unification miracle. Okay, so the research shows CMOs use 14 conflicting dashboards, and Sarah faces this nightmare every single day. She opens Google Analytics and sees 2,847 new leads last month. Then she checks Salesforce and finds 3,201 marketing qualified leads. The finance system shows 2,653 opportunities attributed to marketing. 3 systems, 3 different numbers, and her CEO wants to know which one is correct. One marketing leader described this perfectly. They said the time spent finding out what's going on in the organization can be debilitating. Now, researchers found CMOs spend up to 3 days a month reconciling data, and that's half a week lost to reporting instead of strategy. Now watch what happens when the AI connects to all 14 data sources. It starts identifying discrepancies in real time. The AI reconciles these different tracking methods automatically. It creates a unified customer journey that follows prospects across all touch points. When someone clicks a Google ad, attends a webinar, downloads a white paper, and then requests a demo, the AI connects all those actions into one complete story. Traditional systems see these as separate events. And here's where it gets interesting. The AI finds $2.3 million in hidden pipeline that was lost between systems. The transformation happens fast. One dashboard replaces all 14 systems. Sarah sees real-time data from every source in one place. That's lead counts, conversion rates, pipeline value, and customer acquisition costs that all match up perfectly. She saves 3 days per month on reporting and redirects that time towards strategic planning. Sarah now makes data-driven decisions with complete confidence. She knows exactly which campaigns drive results and which ones waste money. This AI system transforms CMOs from cost centers into growth engines. Sarah uncovered $2.9 million in hidden revenue and stopped $430,000 a month in waste, plus unified 14 dashboards into just one truth dashboard. She went from facing budget cuts to proving $5.20 return per dollar spent. If you're a CMO ready to unlock hidden ROI and regain control, hit like and subscribe to learn how to bring AI into your marketing stack.